For this, I'm using an angle grinder with a sanding disc fully covered in sandpaper. You can buy these discs at any hardware store. They cost less than €1 and are really handy, because you can't get this level of precision by hand. It's important to always wear safety goggles and ear protection when grinding, and make sure everything is thoroughly cleaned before you start. Everything is now cleaned, including the bars, and you can clearly see where the rust is. In some spots, there's much more rust, and we're going to remove those areas. These are parts you can hardly get off with a scraper, so I remove them using the machine. You can't always remove everything completely. Especially with small pits, it gets trickier. But remove as much as you can until you see the bare metal again. I'll show you later how to prime it afterwards. Before painting the gates with regular paint, I apply a primer on the bare spots. It's similar to undercoat, but it's really a primer. I'm using a gray one, but white or black works too. It's basically the first layer you apply. The primer I use is Allgrind. There's a water-based version and a synthetic one based on turpentine. I'm using the turpentine-based variant. I've had it for a while because I don't use it often, only on metal parts or plastic downpipes. With this primer, you can properly treat the bare spots. I apply a thin layer, just for adhesion. It doesn't need to be thick, just a thin film. There are also some pits here, which you can't completely remove, but that's okay. The primer ensures everything is well covered. You can see the spot I just sanded, it's shiny. That part is bare compared to the white area next to it. I'll also apply a thin layer of primer there. The advantage of Allgrind is that it dries quickly, which is exactly what you need. After about 15 minutes, it's dry. You can see it in the gloss, it becomes more matte. So it's really an intermediate layer before applying the lighter top coat. The gate is now primed, and after about 5 minutes, the primer was already dry. You can paint over it right away. Just lightly sand it, and you can apply the next layer. Once all the metal is rust-free, you can rebuild everything neatly. Here's an example of the whole process. On one side, you see a part that's completely rusted. Next to it is the area I've rust removed, completely bare. Then the section with primer, the first layer. Next, the undercoat in roughly the original color. And finally, the top coat in high gloss. This shows the entire process together. To properly paint this gate, I have another video where I show you the techniques I use. Click the video in the center of your screen to learn everything, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more handy tips.